Have you ever wondered why some dogs talk or make funny noises, like huskies with their howls? Well, it turns out that this behavior is actually a form of communication for them. Dogs use vocalizations to express their emotions, needs, and desires. Huskies, in particular, have a long history of vocalizing due to their sled dog ancestors. Their howling is a way to communicate with other pack members, especially in vast, snowy environments where visual cues may not be effective. Interestingly, some other dog breeds, like Malamutes and Alaskan Clay Kyes, also share this characteristic. When a husky howls, it can be a sign of excitement, alertness, or a response to certain sounds. It can also be a way to get attention or express loneliness when separated from their owners or pack. What's remarkable is that huskies have a wide range of vocalizations and can imitate human sounds, like words or laughter. These talking dogs have a unique ability to mimic familiar sounds and interact with their human companions in a more expressive way. But why do huskies howl more than other breeds? One theory suggests that it's because they have retained more of their primitive instincts compared to other domesticated dogs. Their howling behavior is a way for them to connect with their ancestral roots and maintain their distinct identity. Huskies' howls can reinforce their bond with humans, as we may find their vocalizations endearing and respond positively to them. It's important to remember that not all dogs are vocal in the same way. While some breeds may be more predisposed to howling or talking, others may be quieter or use different forms of communication, like barking or whining. So, the next time your husky or any other talkative dog howls, remember that it's their way of expressing themselves and connecting with you.
Thank you for your watching. If you find this video is helpful to you, please share it with your family and friends. Leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. And turn on the bell, that way you don't miss every single one of our videos. So that's for today's video. See you next time.